What's going on, guys? Welcome to Friday Fabric Finds for the week of December 13th, 2024. My name is Mason. I'm the inventory specialist.
My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product editor.
This is the series where we go through the newsletter with y'all and show y'all everything that's in there. So let's get started.
This week we got a very special Friday bundle for you guys called the 50 Years of Moda Half Yard Bundles. These include 11 different colors, and each color has 4 blenders that run along the width of the fabric, and this bundle equals a total of 5.5 yards. We originally had these on sale for $79.96, but they are on sale for $49.96. So make sure to sample the best of Moda with this week's Friday bundle.
First collection we have for y'all today is from Clothworks. It is the Best Friends collection. We have the full collection of yardage. It is also, there's some collage prints in there. We have the Quilters Palette multi-quilt kits along with the Quilters Palette taupe quilt kits. The patterns in this collection are dogs, bones, paw prints, words, and tonal prints in colors of blue, brown, gray, cream, white, and black. So make sure to fetch the fabric you've been barking for with Best Friends.
We have a beautiful collection called Bloomcore from Art Gallery. This features the full collection yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. These patterns include beautiful floral prints and colors of teal, green, and cream, so make sure to let your projects blossom with Bloomcore.
Next collection we have for y'all is a Batiks collection. It is the Elementals Color Play Mottled Batiks from Banyan Batiks. We have some assorted yardage for it along with the Midnight Stars quilt kits. The patterns for this collection are beautiful batik tonal prints that adds movement and texture, and the colors are 10 just lovely widespread different colors. So make sure to add a splash of texture with Mottled Batiks.
Next we've got Stonehenge Gradations Ombre from Northcott. This features the full collection yardage as well as sundown quilt kits. The patterns in these groups are the stunning stone ombre prints and 13 different gorgeous colors. So make your projects rock with Stonehenge Gradations Ombre.
Next we have a kit that's on sale for y'all from Wilmington. Is the Season Studies quilt kits. The original price for it is $126.96, but we have it on sale for y'all for $88.96. So make sure to sprout some savings with the Season Study quilt kit.
Drum roll. Oh, the iPad's falling.
Little drum roll.
Yeah, all right, drum roll. It is time for our Winter's Night Mystery Quilt Along. This is a 4-week long quilt along that starts on December 30th. The final size of it is 19 inches by 73 inches. It's gonna be a table runner, but other than that, you have no idea what it looks like. We have no idea what it looks like either. The patterns are gonna be emailed weekly to those who purchased either a kit or a standalone pattern. With that being said, kits are gonna be on sale for $49.96. We have the patterns on sale for $10.96. We also have a Facebook group called the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room that you can join. This is a Facebook group full of different quilters that are also gonna be doing the quilt along with you. So get ready to sew into the unknown with our Winter's Night Mystery Quilt Along.
Next, we have another collection from Clothworks. This time it's the Explore collection. We have the full collection of yardage, 24-inch panels, 5-inch squares, fat quarter bundles with a panel, and the Fluffy Biscuits quilt kits. The patterns for this collection are world maps, signs, collages, luggage, globes, clocks, and crackle texture. Colors such as teal, taupe, gray, khaki, black, and cream. So make sure to go on an adventure with Explore from Clothworks.
Next, we have our December bargains. This is a page on our website full of different items that are on sale. This could be remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else. So make sure to go check that page daily because we update it daily.
Next, we have the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's show to read on this week's show. And today we have one from Jean Herm 1824, and she says, "Nice blooper, guys. You should do one every week. Nice way to end the vid." Well, Jean, we just want to say thank you for commenting. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. And I did want to say, one, we've been trying to put the bloopers in there a little more often now. It happens all the time. We just don't know when to put it in and when not to put it in. As well as the 1-year anniversary of Friday Fabric Finds is approaching. So we could also do just an overall 1-year video that Justin can put together. But we need to know if y'all are interested in that. So make sure to comment down there below on any of the social medias you're seeing this on and let us know if you would like to see that, and we can put all that together for y'all. But again, thank you for the comment, and make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments like like I said, and maybe you'll be on next week's episode with your comment.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified when we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. You could be featured on Comment of the Week. Also, remember, we need to know if you are interested in a 1-year blooper reel or maybe a funniest moments montage. And also be sure to follow us on social media. Links will be down below in the description. And with all that being said, we will see y'all next week for another episode. Bye.
Peace.